Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this local haul video. So I went to a local scrapbooking store and got a few things as well as Michael's, and I put them together into this one video. So to start out, I got a chance to get these Picket Fence Studios life-changing blender brushes, and I've been seeing a lot of people use these online and I was really interested about them. I have been extremely frustrated with these because they just don't seem, even with the oxides and with some of the best paper to blend on, these just don't seem to be as smooth as I'd like them to be. So I looked at getting some of these brushes, and of course everything was sold out online, and I went to my local store and they had some in stock. So I got, this is the set of the 4 brushes here, and they're very soft, but they have some sturdiness to them. I thought about getting some makeup brushes, but they're pretty flimsy, and one of the biggest complaints about the cheaper makeup brushes is that they're not glued down and a lot of the bristles will come out. So then you get basically your brushes is shedding all the time, and these won't do that. I really like the feel of these. There is some pressure, and again, when you are blending onto paper and a hard surface like your desk, this is what you want. A makeup brush, well, I thought I might try. You'd probably spend the money and then you wouldn't get the results you wanted, and you'd probably end up buying these anyways. So I will be doing a review video on this once I have a chance to play with those. So, and also for inks, I got this Victorian Velvet Distress Oxide ink, one of the newer ones. Really like that shade there. This is a good add to my collection for browns, this brush corduroy. I love this one here, pumice stone. It's very, or pumice stone. Love that kind of gray color. It's not super dark, but I love those tones. And then I also got this one, weathered wood. So happy with those colors there. I grabbed a package of this heat resistant acetate, and this is hot off the press. You get 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 acetate. You can make acetate cards, you can stamp and emboss, and there will be no warping on this, and really like that for some of the different cards. Now, also from the local scrapbooking store, I just grabbed a few sheets of this. This here is this map paper, and this is from this collection here. And just really into the vintage papers, been doing a lot of vintage albums, and I really liked this kind of muted map, but it's colored, and I thought that really looked nice, so I grabbed that. And I grabbed another sheet of this Doodle Bug. Really like this type of plaid. Really got it for this side here. It kind of goes with a lot of their other collections, so I thought I would grab that. Now, going into what I got at Michael's, I got another package of this, and this is the 110-pound cardstock, and there are 100 sheets here in the black. Use that for card bases as well as all of the bases on my albums. And then I also grabbed some of this, and I just like the gray shades. I will use this in between. I won't really use this as card bases, but I'll use this in between. I like the color choices. And again, Michael's is like a minute from my house, so I don't have to order online and wait for colors. And I also grabbed this one here. This is the Dreamy collection. It's got teals, gray, and the pinks. And it's very hard, I think, to find really light pink paper. So I grabbed that. And then the last thing that I grabbed was a couple more of these pens from Michael's. They're the Papermate Ink Joy Gel 0.7, and it's a quick drying ink. And I had in another haul picked up a purple, a pink, and another color, and I wanted to have some more of these pens. I really like them. They flow well when you write, and I always seem to lose the purple one, so I bought another purple one. So that is my haul. I'm really excited about these brushes. I've heard a lot of good things, and just feeling it in my hands, I feel like this is going to do an excellent job because you've got all these details on the bristles, like on the brush part, instead of just a solid foam. And these foam things don't last very well. So I think this is going to be one of the products that I really think is worth the money rather than trying to find a cheaper version. I did a video a while back on the chamois. You see there's a lot of companies coming out with their own chamois, and of course they're, you know, $8 to $15. And the thing is, I have a video, and I'll link to it if I remember, about going down the car aisle in Walmart, buying a big piece of this yellow chamois, cutting it up, and for a couple of bucks you're going to have chamois to clean your stamps literally for the rest of your crafting life. And this is one that I've used for a long time. They're not pretty, so I don't see why to spend that kind of money on, you know, a pretty chamois, which it's just going to get inky like this. So I really like this idea. This is something I didn't mind cheaping out on because it's doing the exact same job. But these brushes, I think, are a different story. I think they're going to be really worth the money. And again, I will have a review video on this once I have a chance to use them. So that was my haul. I really look forward to using a lot of the stuff in this haul. And again, things are so close, I don't have to worry about things getting mailed to me or stuck in the mail or that. Really like to have some of these stores really close. So I hope you enjoyed this local haul. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.